Bayou Classic cast iron. It's just less salt than on a Cajun seasoning. It's more of like a Cajun barbecue rub, which I really appreciate about it. Yeah, so get a little of that in here. So these are our fresh Louisiana Gulf shrimp. I went with the Worcestershire lemon juice, a good bit of lemon juice. This is pretty acidic, but that's gonna really bring all those flavors together.
So Jay, you said we're having barbecue shrimp, and I know for a fact that does not look like barbecue shrimp.
No, it looks like a bunch of shrimp in a cast iron. This is barbecue shrimp because of the sauce that it makes.
Okay.
Butter, garlic, Worcestershire. I just put a little heavy cream in here because I want more sauce for all that bread that we have. Is it a traditional like tomato-based or vinegar-based barbecue sauce? No, it's a butter-based barbecue sauce, baby.
Okay.
But like, you can call it barbecue shrimp because of the sauce.
Hey, just the key word, you said butter-based. You can't beat that.
That's right. A solid handful of parsley here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And I wanted to wait till the end for that. I got a little bit more for garnish. Scrumps.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good.